Yeah, I just got out and videoed the train and got back on because it's pretty warm out. I'm sitting here in front of my nice little cool fan. Yeah, I took a picture of that. I thought, well, shoot, make my room smell a little better while I'm in it. Yeah, I had lunch with a guy and his wife, a little farmer from Texas. Well, he is now. I don't remember what he said he used to do, but I guess he was in Africa. So, but we had a nice little lunch together. Yes. Yeah, they're not going very far, but yeah, they were on here, and I'm sitting there in the lounge, and this guy sitting next to me, this Asian guy, started talking to me, and as he's asking me some questions, lady on the other side heard me talking to him, and she had questions for me because I got a couple of sodas, a couple bags of chips, and a muffin. There really was a whole lot there. I've seen on the train since I've been coming up here, I've seen three people doing YouTube or train videos, like from outside, like, taking pictures and stuff from when the train came by. This one guy had a scanner and stuff, so probably, so he knew when the trains were coming by. Yeah, I've told some people about my YouTube channel, and if you're telling many people that'll listen, maybe a few of them might remember. What was it? There you go. Well, they've done it, so you get to something. Well, it's kind of warm too. So. My GoPro quit working a couple times because it got overheated. Oh my goodness. This poor puppy's come. Oh, now it belongs to this guy. Okay. I saw this dog walking by, had a collar and stuff. There's a guy. One's got a human, but he's got the leash and the dog's off. They walk the station. It's like everybody gotta get back on. Yeah, this old boy I had lunch with, man, he reminded me of Tom from Survivor. Chicken Tom. Yeah. They're headed to Seattle. Actually, they're going on past Seattle. They're going to Vancouver. They're going on to Vancouver. One lady that got on here, she's going clear to Michigan. So she's going up in the transfer, probably. Yeah, I put my GoPro in front of me, so my GoPro there. Well, I had it up in the window, taking video as I went. My other little...
Attention ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is your lead service attendant at the cafe. Once again, the cafe is closed.
There we go. I figured out how to take the speaker out of my room. Just use the volume. There's a setting that goes from you're listening or not listening, I guess. It was decent. I had a patty melt. The onions were a little too sweet for my taste. bites of it, 3 bites of it. Still have about half left. My dinner reservations is for 6:15. So just kind of chilling until 6:15. Then go eat. And I'll come back to my car and switch into my night clothes and chill here. Maybe see if I can get my room attendant to turn my bed down early. This guy's cool. We talked for quite a little bit. In fact, I had to let him go so he can go talk to the other customers. So I came back to talk to him. So I'm here for the trip. So he went up between here and there. Yeah, the 2 people I talked to in the office there, the Metropolitan Lounge there, they're both first-time travelers, and so they're pumping me for information. So we need to go. She did right there. Sorry. Probably need some more food. I said, okay, I love you, and I'll talk to you later.